I have to go now. وس ماله تله پکار دی. I have to go now. I love my mother. زه د خپلې مور سره مینه کوم. I love my mother. I am not very old. زه د ډیر عمر نه یم. I am not very old. I am very thirsty. زه ډیر تږی یم. I am very thirsty. It's April 1st. نن 1 اپریل دی. It's April 1st. Let me try again. پرېږده چې بیا کوشش وکم. Let me try again. Life is a riddle. ژوند یو دوڼه ده. Life is a riddle. No one responded. هیچا جواب ورنکو. No one responded. Nice to meet you. په لیدو دې خوشحاله شوم. Nice to meet you. Please sign here. مهرباني وکړه دلته دستخط وکړه. Please sign here. She betrayed you. هغې تاله دوکه درکړه. She betrayed you. He betrayed you. هغه تاله دوکه درکړه. He betrayed you. The car is ready. موټر تیار دی. The car is ready. Let us see where he stands. وګوره چې هغه څومره په اوبو کې دی. Let us see where he stands. This isn't right. دا صحیح نه ده. This isn't right. We went shopping. مونږ سامان اغستو لتلی وو. We went shopping. We are going home. مونږ کور ته روان یو. We are going home. We are in a hurry. زمونږ تادي ده. We are in a hurry. What's that bird? هغه کومه مرغۍ ده. What's that bird? What's the story? قصه څه ده. What's the story? Where did you go? ته چرته تللی وې. Where did you go? Where is the masjid? جومات کوم ځای دی. Where is the masjid? Whose turn is it? د چا نمبر دی. Whose turn is it? You may be right. کېدې شي ته صحیح وای. You may be right. Are your eyes bad? آیا ستا سترګې خرابې دي. Are your eyes bad? In which college do you study? ته په کوم کالج کې سبق وایې. In which college do you study? Didn't you go out? آیا ته بهر ته نه وې تللی. Didn't you go out? Do you believe me? آیا ته په ما باور کوې. Do you believe me? He began to shout. هغه چغه کړه. He began to shout. He came to see me. هغه ما سره میلاوېدو له راغلی و. He came to see me. He is after a job. هغه په نوکرۍ پسې لګېدلی دی. He is after a job. He studied abroad. هغه په پردیس کې پڑھائی کړې وه. He studied abroad. He's already left. هغه تللی دی. He's already left. I cried all night. ما ټوله شپه وژړل. I cried all night. I got sleep. ما له خوب راغی. I got sleep. I have a headache. په سر می درد دی. I have a headache. I have some money. ما سره څه پیسې دي. I have some money. I haven't met him. زه د هغه سره نه یم میلاو شوی. I haven't met him. I truly loved her. ما د هغې سره ریښتونې مینه کوله. I truly loved her. It's really a matter of pleasure. دا خو واقعي د خوشحالۍ خبره ده. It's really a matter of pleasure. I'm not like that. زه دغسې نه یم. I'm not like that. My eyes are tired. زما سترګې ستړي شوي دي. My eyes are tired. No one is around. خواوشا هیڅوک نشته. No one is around. Put your hands up. لاسونه دې برکه. Put your hands up. She has blue eyes. د هغې سترګې اودې دي. She has blue eyes. She isn't married. د هغې واده نه دی شوی. She isn't married. Tell me the truth. رښتیا راته ووایه. Tell me the truth. We have a good news. مونږ سره خوشخبري ده. We have a good news. We are against war. مونږ د جنگ خلاف یو. We are against war. What is happiness? خوشحالي څه یي؟ What is happiness? Are you busy today? آیا ته نن مصروفه یې؟ Are you busy today? Can we have a talk? آیا مون خبرې کوی شو؟ Can we have a talk? Did you sleep well? آیا ته ښه ویده شوې؟ Did you sleep well? Don't give up hope. امید مه بایله. Don't give up hope. Don't throw stones. کاڼي مه ورته وهه. Don't throw stones. Everyone likes her. ټول هغه خوښوي. Everyone likes her. Have you gone nuts? پاگل شوی کو. Have you gone nuts? He is sure to come. د هغه راتله یقیني دی. He is sure to come. He isn't my cousin. هغه زما د تره زوی نه دی. He isn't my cousin. He's a good person. هغه ښه انسان دی. He's a good person. I admit my mistake. زه خپله غلطي منم. I admit my mistake. I can read پښتو. زه پښتو پړاوهلی شم. I can read پښتو. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.